Withdrawing money from TikTok to debit card is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can withdraw money from TikTok to debit card. So for that, you simply have to go to your TikTok application, and in your TikTok application, you have to tap on your profile. And in your profile, you have to tap on these three lines, which will open up the menu bar. And here you simply have to tap on settings and privacy. Now, after tapping on that, you will see various options. You simply have to tap on balance. And in the balance section, it will tell you how much money you have in your TikTok account. So as you guys can see, currently in my case it is 0, which means I don't have any money. So but in your case it should have some money. You just simply have to tap on that, and now it will open up the payments that you have in your TikTok or how much you want to withdraw. So you just need to enter the amount of money that you want to withdraw, and after that you simply have to tap on withdraw. As you guys can see, currently I don't have any money that I can withdraw, so I cannot go to the withdraw options. But in the withdraw options, there are only two payment methods, which is Pioneer and PayPal. So in order to withdraw money to your bank account, you simply have to attach your bank account with the PayPal, which is a pretty easy thing to do. You just need to go to your PayPal, and in the PayPal, you will easily be able to attach your bank account or your debit or credit card, whatever you want to do. But if you don't have PayPal, you simply have to select Pioneer there just to, avoid the PayPal. But you only have these two options. You can only withdraw using these two options. So you just need to, utilize them. You can add bank accounts into the Pioneer as well. Pioneers have the local bank accounts. You can also add your bank accounts or any of the payment option you want in your PayPal as well. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.